Hello world! Welcome to my blog. Let us now cook today. Today's recipe is green rice chicken. Green pepper, uh, sibuyas, then spinach, kasbara, bakdonis, and garlic, then pure butter. Spices, nor cubes, curcum, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, and salt to taste. For chicken, heat our pan so that we can put these spices. Put our pure butter first. Let us saute our garlic. Saute the onion and the green pepper, the kasbara, bakdones, and the spinach, and saute it well. The chicken. And saute it well. Put the ingredients, the cardamom, cinnamon, the nor cubes. Saute it well until the chicken is golden brown. Some water to cook the chicken. Let us boil the chicken in 1 hour. The chicken. Is the outcome, guys. Ito na po yung green rice natin. Here is the outcome, guys. Ito yung green rice natin. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Let's eat together. Enjoy.